I know exactly what to say, but today I'm going to talk about what buyers, when making offers,
In today's
shouldn't
market,
say.
with hundreds of showings and several offers on every single home, this is what you should know before you make an offer. I can't find homes to support the price.
Why is there a stain up in the
I
ceiling?
want to bring my contractor, my dad, my uncle, to make sure the house is sound before
We're
we
making
make an
this
offer based on the comps from last year. We really
year.
need to sell our home, but it's so great. I know
Trying
it'll
to figure
sell
out
very
what the
quickly.
taxes will be, what my mortgage will be, and how much higher I can go.
I can't find homes to support the price.
Right now in northern Bergen County, year to date, homes were selling at ask, about ask, maybe 1% less. In the last 30 days, they have been getting offers 9 to 10% over the asking price. So what are you going to do to get your offer accepted? Come in strong, great terms, and all these questions that you'd like to ask, do it while you're in contract.